everyone, welcome to an episode of Fast Talk, the show about new foods and talk about them. And today we will be covering Munchpak. Munchpak, where inside every Munchpak are the coolest and newest snacks from all over around the world. Each delivery will surprise you with awesome new snacks, so you'll always find new favorites. Spicy, sweet, candy, chips, sour, gummy, we've got it all. I'm a professional, but yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. I heard about them through Instagram. I'll link down in the description. You guys get a box. I got the mini one. It's about $13.98. That's including shipping. The cool thing is free shipping. You get 5 snacks, and you also get a drink with it as well. You gotta wash that all down. It's very nice when you're studying. You have some snacks, and they are monthly, or they have like a different country in mind every time. So let's go ahead and check it out. See what we got. You got a booklet. Oh, it's several different countries. Okay. There you go. A little booklet. You get featuring delicious snacks from Chile, Spain, Japan, and more. So I'm not going to look at that. But, let's go ahead and see what we got. We got... Dang it! I was trying to not get something like this, but we have the Old Dutch baked sweet taste for potato croustades, savory ketchup flavored, gluten free, sans gluten. Dang it! Oh, there's something to drink in here. Oh, there was. Okay, there's not something to drink here. Dang it. Thank you, Starbucks. There's a small one. Strong black coffee to wash it down. Ugh. Oh. How you guys use this stuff? Ugh. Ugh. At first it tastes like those pizza Pringles. It just gets worse. That's gross. What's wrong with you guys? That's disgusting. Okay, I was wrong. You could add a soda to go with it, but whatever. Let's see what we got. Serendipity, grab it, dip it, peanut butter sticks, raspberry jam. Okay, the jam's like really solid. It's got seasoning too. Interesting. The trying to place what that tastes like. Tastes like I don't taste peanut butter. What does that taste like? It tastes like a sugar wafer more than peanut butter. And they're very crumbly. I really like the jam. I told myself I wouldn't eat all of this. That's really good though. You got Dulcetto Petites Cookie and Cream Wafer Bites. No high fructose corn syrup. Also, if you get any of this, you can actually you win a 3-month subscription and take a picture or record a video, share on social media, and use hashtag Munchpak. And it's all caps. MUNCHPAK. It's like that Crave cereal. Or the Oreo. That's actually really good. What's this? I think it's Japan. It looks like vanilla cake. Oh no. It's all broken. Oh no. That's what you get for shaking it, people. Yeah, my family shook it. You lied to me. Oh, it's cheese! Not vanilla cake. Yeah. It's like a cheese puff. And we have Nutella Be Ready. Okay, so we got a lot of... Okay, yeah. Oh, whoa, this is weird. So it's wrapped, and then they wrap it in cardboard, and then there's packaging over that. We can have one of these. It looks like a baguette. It's got the look of a giant fortune cookie. Excuse me. It's not bad. Wish I had something to wash it all down. Okay, so I'm gonna say these are definitely from Denmark. The Nutella is from Spain. The cheese puff cake thing is from China. Therefore, the Oreo thing must be from Chile. Or something, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. The old Dutch baked chips is from Canada. Makes sense. The classic Canadian favorite. These perfectly baked chips have a delicious ketchup seasoning that will leave you coming back from work with everybody. No. I will not try those again. Those things are disgusting. Nutella, be ready. These crisp and crunchy wafers filled with Nutella cream are the perfect way to get your Nutella fix on the go. And so you better be ready for this taste. I actually like those. I would have those more. Premium Umaibo, mozzarella, and camembert from Japan. Oh, the Nutella be ready is from Poland. That's right, it is from Poland. That's right. The savory and country corn stick is packed with delicious cheese flavors, mozzarella, and camembert. As a treat for anything. That's a perfect anytime treat. Interesting. Why are they grayed out? Oh, you peel them off. You peel. I think? I don't know. But, Serendipity peanut butter sticks with raspberry jam is from Greece. Okay. As you know, with this dipped peanut butter sticks made is perfect on the go. Treat a crab twist on classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I actually really like those. I don't like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but I really enjoy that. That's actually really good. Dolcetto cookies and cream wafer bites with actually crafted crisp and creamy wafer cookies and premium ingredients to create an indulgent and sweet tooth satisfying snack. I kind of like those. They're not my favorite, but I like them. Did you know Chile penguins can be found in several areas of southern Chile, where they lounge on the beach and have a total population of 12,000 breeding pairs. Chile, I never really thought of penguins going down there, but also shows for that month what's in the original, what's in the family pack, and soda. Oh, they had rum and soda. I was wanting a rum and soda. But yeah, that's the Munchpak for September. I actually really enjoyed it. I loved all these items for those old Dutch ketchup chips. But I like it. I'm ready for the next pack. I wish we didn't mix it up a little more. Like we'd get some gum. Like I didn't get any gummies. I wish they mixed it up. I wonder if they and I like it that they mix it up with. It's not just one culture. It's several different cultures in a box. It's really neat. And that was one of my goals for 2020 was trying to find different foods from different nations, and that Munchpak's given me this choice of doing it. And I know some of you aren't going to be buying this because we have a COVID-19 going on right now. But if you guys enjoy this review, go check out any of my other food reviews, check out my toy reviews, check out my podcast, and the Anything Experience podcast, live on Tuesdays every 2 weeks, and live that Thursday on most podcast forums. I hope you guys check it out. Say beard it, and rock on.
Yeah. Hey.